how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So today I'm gonna do another palette bingo, but I asked you guys when I did my palette bingo on the Obsessed palette if you'd want to see one with me doing a palette bingo with all 3 palettes. I'm gonna do 2 shades from each palette. Absol is obsessed with me this morning, so you'll probably just see his little head and tail pop up from time to time. But I'm gonna do 2 shades from each palette, making it 6 shades total, and we're gonna create a look with it. You guys really seem to like that idea, and I'm really excited to do it, so let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna go in the order that they were sitting on my table. So let's start with the 80s Baby first. This is what the color story looks like. I'm nervous. I don't know what kind of color story we're gonna get to play with. But here's my phone here. Make sure you can actually see it unlike the other video. And we're going to generate. And we got 3. That is the Baby. I feel like I got this one before when I played with this palette. Watch me get only shades I've already played with. And number 2. So we got Virgo. I have not played with this one. This is a light shimmery blue color. Now we're gonna dip into the exotic Peacock. Number 14, we got the very last shade. We got Dreams. I don't think we got this one before actually. This is a really dark blue. Although it's not that dark. It looks darker in the pan. Ooh, that's really pretty. So far so good. We have 2 mattes and a shimmer. I was really scared I was gonna get 6 shimmers. And we got number 2, which is Peacock. I have not done this one either. Another shimmery blue color. Ooh, that's so cute. That's what we're working with so far. So far it's looking like a very bluish with a pop of pink color story. And we have this one. It can totally be thrown if we get a bunch of reds and oranges. We got number 11. We got Stay Golden. I love this color. It's the prettiest neon-y shimmery yellow. I'm really okay with this color story so far. The only thing I feel like that could ruin it is if I get, for one, a random brown, or if I get like a weird orange. I don't know. And we got number 3. We got Pigment, which is just a really pretty reddish warm color. I feel like this color story must have just known what my beanie was. Holy cow, it like matches perfectly. Okay, so we have 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. So let me get to pondering. I'll zoom you in and we'll get to work on these colors. I'm really excited for this color story, but I just don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna start by taking the Baby right here, and I'm gonna start popping this in my crease. As you can see, I'm obviously tucking this under the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna try something now. I'm gonna take Pigment, but I'm literally gonna dip in just the tiniest amount with this fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna start lightly blending this above the Baby shade, acting as basically my transition. I know this shade is very dark and very pigmented, but I wanted the Baby to be closer to my crease to blend into the blue shade that I lay down next, rather than it being this red shade. And I am gonna kind of angle this out just so it's a little bit more winged out, going in with a little bit more of the Baby just to keep that pink element in because I don't want to lose it. Now I'm taking Dreams and I'm going to begin to tuck this kind of in the outer corner of my eye. This is such a pretty color. Sorry I'm not really talking. Traffic outside my window is just really loud today for some reason, so I don't want to have to keep pausing and doing a million jump cuts just because I can't get a sentence out. But this is kind of where we're at so far. So far I feel pretty good about it actually. And I want to do a half cut crease, so I'm just taking my Colourpop concealer and I'm looking up so I can see where to cut the crease. And then I'm just taking some more concealer and I'm going to begin to create that shape. I'm going to start with the Stay Golden shade right here, and I'm just going to use the same brush because I don't feel like picking up a different brush. And I'm going to start tucking this right against the edge where I cut the crease. And now I'm taking just a little dense brush and I'm going to pick up Peacock now. And this one I'm going to place more towards the bottom of my lid. I'm going to do almost like a wing-like shape with the shadow blending into the blue. So I'm going to start pretty high up here and then meet way down here and then just kind of connect that. And I'm not really touching the yellow too much right now. I'm just trying to lay this down because blue and yellow will create a green, and I don't necessarily want a green, which it's going to be a little bit inevitable, but since they are shimmers, I'll be able to get away with it, and it's a very dramatic look, so I can get away with it being a little more contrasting. Now I'm just going to go kind of back and forth with the yellow and the blue until it's just kind of flowing the way I want it to. Actually really like that. And finally I'm taking Virgo from the 80s Baby palette, and I'm just taking a random Urban Decay brush. And this color I'm going to pop in my inner corner. That's such a cute color. So I actually love this. I was happy with the color combo and then I was intimidated, but now I'm so happy. I feel so cute and I can't believe how well it matches my beanie. It's like it was meant to be, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, pop something on my lips, put on some lashes, all that jazz, and we'll finish this up. This is the final look. I really hope you like it. I love it. I just feel so summery and cute and colorful. I can't get over how well it matches this beanie because obviously it was unplanned. It just worked out perfectly, I guess. My lashes are the Flutter Lashes Selfie lashes, and on my lips is the Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime in the shade Naked Cherry. I just wanted to make a note that I've been cruelty-free for probably close to a year now, and starting this year I'm also going to only buy from brands that, like, even if they're cruelty-free but they sell mink lashes, I'm not gonna buy from them anymore just because that really isn't cruelty-free. That was almost just like a weird loophole some brands try to do, and even if brands say that mink lashes are cruelty free, they're not. There's no way to take their hair in a humane way. So Flutter Lashes sells synthetic and mink lashes, so you're gonna see me still using Flutter Lashes because I'm not just gonna throw away the ones that I have, and I'm trying to save money, so I'm not about to go buy a bunch of new lashes. So I want to try to use up the ones that I have. So I just wanted to make that little note. So yeah, it's a shame because I really like their synthetic lashes, but since they sell mink ones as well, I'm no longer gonna be buying from them. So I just wanted to make a quick little note of that. Anyway, what did you guys think of this look? What did you think of this palette bingo? I loved using all three of these palettes actually together. They worked really well together, as they should. They're the same brand, they're the same launch. But I just really like what this look turned into. Are you happy with how I used the colors? Let me know down below, all that stuff. I've been absolutely loving these palettes. I'm so happy that I got this bundle. It's one of my favorite purchases of the year so far. Obviously, it's only a couple weeks into the year, but it's definitely a really happy purchase. I'm gonna continue playing with these all the time. I love them so much. I haven't used every single color in every palette yet, so I can't give a thorough review. But of all the times that I've been playing with them, I really do enjoy them. And I feel like I'm getting my money's worth so far. I'm having a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this palette bingo, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know palettes you want me to do palette bingos on in the future if you want me to continue doing these. I'm having a lot of fun and you guys seem to really enjoy these videos. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.